Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to part 3. The part 3 we're gonna do the background. You're gonna go in the top and then see the background. You can choose any background if you want, but I'm choosing the white one. Oh no, that's my mistake. So let's go color it. Maybe I'm doing it all. Oh, that's cool. I'm part of an action project. Okay, let's go make it a darker green because it's in the middle of the night. If you want to make it a light green, it's okay. If you don't know dark green, just make a black and the dark green. That's good. Okay. Now let's go to the moon. Okay, get it? Moon. Okay, it's the lightest part in there. I'm gonna make a stars. If you don't like the stars, okay. We go all around in the place. You get stars are the big. The stars are the littlest. Okay, let's put it all around. The stars, it's so good. But the stars are shining in the sky. Okay, if you're done with the stars, I think that's good. Just press the check mark. Yes.
Whoa!
My hair. Okay, you just need to go to the yellow button for starting, and then go to the blue button, and then jump, and then up, and then turn. Okay, and then go there, I think. Oh my goodness, that is too much. Let's go again. If you want to move again, it's okay. Just move it a little backwards. Okay, let's go. If you're done, just do that one part. But don't make it funnier, I think. I'm fine with guys. And then I'm just turning around. If you're happy with your cutting, just like and subscribe so you'll be laughed on this video. Oh no. See it? Stop it. Okay. Oh no, I'm flying. There, stop. That's a little hard for that. And then, I think I don't want to do that, I think. But, let's go make your first sound. Okay. Let's do this. Do you want the red button? Or the red button? Okay, let's do the red button. Then go. We're going up. A moment, you little bit wonder, can be golden. Oh, are the voices. You still wondering, can be golden. Yeah, we just do it. That's what. Let's go to up in the sun. Let's go up on the sun. Okay. Let's go to the up button. There, up. And then up. And then stop. Okay. Oh no, I forgot. Stop it. Okay, and we do it this way. And jump. It stops. It just repeats. It has a little flag in the skies. Okay, that's end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.